Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share the second box of goodies I picked up from Marketplace. Yeah, there's quite a lot to share in this video, so I'm just going to jump in and share what came in this box. There's quite a lot of wooden stamps. So just pick up a load. So this is a nice Christmassy one. This one says happy birthday, which is quite nice. That one actually doesn't look like it's ever been used. Got this one, I quite like this one. Something a bit different. I don't have anything like this. And again, that doesn't, I think that says Stampin' Up stamp as well. So you've got that one. Then you've got a few more wooden ones. So you've got this star one. Again, that's a Stampin' Up one. You've got this sentiment one. You've got this one again, which is Stampin' Up, and then you've got this one. Again, it's quite nice for Valentine's. Or like if you do like a script in the back of a project and things, that's kind of cool. So that's some wooden stamps. Then you've got this. I have no idea what this is. There's a few of these quick cuts. I don't know what a quick cuts is. I don't have, if anyone's used quick cuts or has quick cuts, I have no idea. If I need a certain machine, that looks like you've got like a click, cut and pop. I have no idea if I need a certain thing for this. But you get these cards. I guess this is giving you ideas. That looks like a material. Layout. It says quick cuts hand tool. So maybe I need to get one of those. I don't know. But anyway, they're the instructions, and then it comes with all these little, these are like little dies. But don't think you can put these through your die machine. Maybe I need that thing. I don't know. This one. Oh no, you got the rain. Yeah, they're the antlers, so that's the reindeer. I think they had that on there. And then that's more other numbers on there. So yeah, if anyone's used this or got this and know how to use it, let me know, because I think there's a few more I've seen of these in the box. So yeah, I'm not sure about that one as yet. That's that. Then I've got these urban stamps, really nice big rubber stamp. That one, heart one. This is die set. Again, it's that quick cuts. I don't know if I can use these in my normal big shot or not. But yeah, they're the sentiments in there. You got that one. Now that one. And then that flourish in that one. So that's those. Got this Sizzix original. Wow, this is an old Sizzix die. Makes this little folder. So that would be cool to use. So that's that one, and then there's a couple more Sizzix dies. You've got this one. It's got these little bits in it. And then you've got this one that makes the house and the tree. So again, pretty cool. I don't, like I said, have anything like that. That's another one of those little Sizzix dies. Got this one, which is blank cards, Pampered Pets blank cards. They're just like plain, which is kind of cool. I can use that on any projects. And then you've got this, which is a Sizzix, and it's a, I think it's rubber and a embossing folder. Yeah, so this rubber stamp, which again is quite nice, and then you've got an embossing folder as well that goes with it, so that's kind of cool. Okay, so that's that one. Then got these again, are Pampered Pets blank cards. This one's open. Yeah, so they haven't got any actual pets on them. They've just got like a floral design, and then they're blank inside. So that's perfect to use on different card bases. So that's that one. Then got this cookie cutting dies, holiday phrases. So they're going to be cool for Christmas. You got all of those, so that's perfect. You got the happy birthday ones. Wish, yeah, so that's kind of cool. Got this die set. It's like patterns. It's got like birds in it. Kind of cool. This flower and leaf die. This tree one, that Christmas tree with a star on it. That's kind of cool for little tags and stuff for Christmas. In here is the die set. Wow, these are little. So you've got the capital letters and then the smaller case. That's just kind of cool. So that's in there. So I think that's all that was in that one. Then got these. Again, there's a lot of alpha dies, which is awesome. This one, I don't know. Are these? Well, these have some numbers as well, but I think these are different, like a different font. They're more like a bubbly kind of shape than those ones. So that's kind of cool. They in that one. That's more cut out. Then I've got more of these dies. Yeah, again, not really sure about these, whether I can use these in my die cutting machine or not, or if I need a certain thing for that. And then this looks like a puzzle die, which is kind of cool. Again, I don't have anything like this. Like little puzzle pieces, and I think they cut out individually. Yeah, they do. They cut out individually. So that's kind of cool. So that one. And then we've got these. This is a cool die set. It's like, oh, it's got quite a lot of pieces. I thought that was all one piece, but it isn't. It's like that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different dies in there, which is quite nice. Yeah, that's kind of cool. And then some more of these quick cuts. These say holiday. So I think these are going to be like Christmas, like the last ones. Wow, look at those. They're cute little tags. I don't know what that is. like a flower pot? I don't know. I don't really know what these would make. You've got this one that says, it's got, I think that's like a Christmas tree on that one. You've got one that says joy, star, no, snowflake, sorry. Yeah, I'm not sure about those. Those ones. That one has got a cute little bow. Is that a leaf? And then you've got some of these. I think these are the sort of thing the tree makes. Season's greetings. So that's that one. Then you've got this cute butterfly stamp, and then this is more of those quick cuts, sunshine. These are all alphas. You've got, I think that's the sun. You've got a cup there. I don't know what those ones are. I have no idea what those are. More alphas and numbers. And then these are like balloons, a sun. One. Okay. There's still quite a bit to get through. Got some magnetic sheets, which is handy. Another one of these, I think I shared one of these in the last video when I showed what was in the other box. And it's got cute Christmassy images. Yeah, really nice to do like a Christmas scene on a card and that. So that's a stamp set. Another one of these sentiments. This one is a rubber stamp. You've got with love, amazing, achieve. Yeah, quite a lot of different sentiments on there. And then this one as well. Again, I don't actually think this one's been used either. So a lot of great stamps on there. Then we've got these, which you've got this little bunny die. That's perfect for Easter. These stamp sets. So you've got this one. So you get the inner piece and the outer piece, like that. Quite nice size as well, like for tags and things for Christmas. These are all kind of Christmassy themed. I like that one. Celebrate the most wonderful time of year. That's really nice. And then you could change, like I said, the outer piece to different pieces inside. You could layer it up. That's really cool. So that's those ones, and then there's some other ones. Again, all Christmas. So you've got these rectangle ones. These come with 3. Yeah, so it comes with 9 stamps. And again, you can change them up. Each outer piece has a different design. That's really, really cool. So that's those ones. And then the next is these ones. And again, these are the circle ones. And you get all these different designs. And again, real nice size. That's those. Then there's some of these hunky-dory sheets in here. I think this is all Noah's Ark, is it? Let me just have a flip through. Yeah, so it's all Noah's Ark. You've got some plain sheets of card, and then some cut parts. So it's kind of cool. Got this paper pack. I think that's like free from a magazine. And then this one again, I think it's free from a magazine, which is kind of cool. Cut parts. And then this one, which again, wow, it's a lot of Christmas stamps. So these are really cute. Again, for embellishments and tags. Sweet treats, so if you make like a jar of sweet treats for Christmas, that'd be kind of cool to hang. 'Tis the sweetest season. Yeah, really cool. I've never seen anything like this before, so that's really cool. So that's those. And then I've got this one. Again, I think this is like a balloon, is it? What does it say on there? Oh no, Easter eggs and jelly beans. I thought it was a balloon, but it's Easter egg. So you can decorate the Easter eggs with these, and it's little jelly beans. Yeah, so that's a cool die. And then the last 4 things is this die as well. Stars. So that's that. But the last 4 is these. There's packs of these, and there's, I presume these are dies. A, B, C's. Boys will be boys is what it says on it. That's numbers. 2 numbers on that one. What's this one? That's numbers. It's like hashtag and brackets, @sign. So that's in that one. Then in this one, Broadway Melody. I don't know if that's like the font. Yeah. Again, like hashtag signs and different symbols you can use. Question mark, exclamation marks. But yeah, they're all alphas in there. So that's that one. And then the last 2 is these. These 2. Don't know if I can. These are quite hard to open. Oh gosh. Don't want these to go everywhere. So this one. These. And now. Yeah, so different fonts. So you've got that one. Don't know how to close that, but I can't. And then, wow, they're not the easiest things to open. And this one, yeah, these are really big. And there's some numbers as well. So that's kind of cool. And that's it, guys. There was a lot in there. Yeah, so it's worth checking out on Facebook on Marketplace. You never know what you're going to find on there. I'll definitely be going on there a bit more just to see what they have, like craft wise. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you have an awesome week, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye.